The Vivo Y200Plus is an affordable yet feature-rich smartphone released on January 2, 2025, catering to budget-conscious users with modern needs. Below is an overview of its features, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. Display: 6.68-inch IPS LCD with 720 by 1608 resolution. 120 Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness, ensuring smooth visuals and usability in bright sunlight. TÜV Rheinland certified for reduced blue light and DC dimming to prevent flicker. Performance: powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, 4 nanometers. Comes in configurations of 8GB, 12GB RAM, and 256GB, 512GB UFS 2.2 storage. Runs Android 14 with Origin OS 4. Camera: rear, 50-megapixel main camera and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Front, 5-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera. Supports 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. Battery: 6,000 mAh